sense of purpose as well. And that's the essence of humanity.
Mm.
I believe that God has given us all talents,
Yeah.
different.
And we need to explore them,
Absolutely.
use them.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You must know what is your purpose in life. You must know why you exist. You must know your talent and your gift. Because if you die without knowing your talent, then your life you are living out of passion.
Yeah.
Talent gives you direction. Your gift gives you focus. You know what is your purpose. And it also gives you energy.
Yeah.
That zeal.
Yeah.
To
A
I
reason
will
for
come.
existence. A
Yes.
reason for
Yes.
waking up in the morning.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Because when you do your talent and gift, it's something you are passionate of, Brother Zix. It's something which, even money is just
you can even do it for free.
Absolutely.
Because it is your purpose.
Absolutely. Because you enjoy it,
Yeah.
you see.
Yeah.
And also God gives us the spirit of excellence, whereby in your talent, in your gifting, you excel, Baba.
Yeah, no, I like
You
it.
excel. You can excel above academia. You can excel above scientists. You can excel above professors. You can excel if God has given you a talent to be an athlete. You'll be number one. That's the spirit of excellence.